We were so blessed with an opportunity to zipline at Palo Adventure Park. If you have any different ability and this is something you want to get crossed off your bucket list, I definitely recommend you contact them because they are really good with working with different abilities. We love going on lots of adventures. We might have to do some things different than others, but it doesn't stop us from exploring this beautiful world God has sent us. Like and subscribe and follow our journey. Get ready to zip line! And we're off!
How awesome is this?
I'm so happy. It's a one.
On awesomeness, like one being the most awesomest?
No.
She's afraid of height.
Look, I can see a city! I can see a place in another place!
You need a whole lot of Jesus, Mom! You got this, Mom.
And lift your legs. Alright, you ready?
That's so crazy cool. Sorry.
So typically we usually have them in front of you.
Okay.
So you're okay with that?
Yeah.
I can wait till she comes up if you need help.
Yeah, that would probably
Okay.
be
Coming up! I'll
awesome.
help you as much as I can too.
No, I appreciate it. I can't believe we're going here to do this. Am I cool?
Look at you!
You did great, Mama.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, how awesome is this?
Okay.
She's like, I don't know about this. No.
Okay. Making sure this is
You have to hold on to Baba.
Okay. You're locked in.
Okay.
I'm gonna transfer him over. Okay. 3. Okay. So both of y'all are completely secure.
Okay.
Whenever I take this off, he can hold on, but he doesn't have to. He'll be
Okay.
perfectly fine. I need at least one of your hands to kind of hold the actual strap, like right here.
Okay.
This one can hold onto this hand as well.
Okay.
Or if you feel comfortable, you can hold onto your own strap. You're both completely secured in there.
Okay, I'll probably just hold like this.
Fine. Just make sure his arms don't go behind your strap.
Okay.
Because otherwise it'll be really uncomfortable. It's not going to really do anything. It'll just be really uncomfortable for him.
Okay.
I'll help you step off the ladder. When I do that, act like you're sitting down into a chair and kind of lean back just a little bit. Don't like full on lean back or anything like that. And don't try and jump off the ladder or anything like that.
Okay.
Okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take you off the safety. And then I'm going to help y'all step off.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start stepping down. And I'm still holding on.
Try to get under this stuff?
I still got you, so you
Oh,
will.
this wind.
Hey, kind of sit.
I don't know. This wind.
You ready?
Yeah.
It's a real
And I love how you're so calm, cool, and collected. Yeah. No big deal, just some ziplining this morning. Right there, that's where I came from. Look here, Bentley. Here, stand on your feet, good buddy. You got that. You're done.
I am so proud of you, Bentley.
All right. Head right this way for me. Take one big step down. Perfect.
Do I need to scoot back?
You might have to just a little bit. Keep going.
That was the stupidest tail.
Are you, Bentley, looky here. Are you proud of yourself? I'm proud of me. Am you proud of you?
Yes. I definitely recommend you check out Palo Duro Eventual Park.